What is up, guys? It's Ashley, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my hair. So as you guys can tell, I'm in my room right now. I'm redoing it, so that's going to be a video in the future that you guys can look forward to. But for now, we're going to be focusing on my hair today and how I keep it nice and tame and just basically looking like this. So we're just going to go through some steps. We're going to go through how I shampoo it, condition it, how I style my hair, any products I use, whatnot, all of that. So it's going to be a great time. We're going to delve right into the depths of my hairs, and we're going to see how I keep my hairs looking as they do. Alright, so the first step is going to be showering. So depending on your hair type, you're going to want to use a certain type of shampoo or conditioner. So this can be really hard to figure out. So what I've been using recently is Function of Beauty. You guys might have seen it before, but it's basically a unique formula for shampoo and conditioner for your hair. I just got mine in this beautiful silvery blue color. I went through their little quiz. Obviously, since my hair gets frizzy, I chose anti-frizz and like fixing split ends, replenishing my hair, stuff like that. You want to make sure that whatever kind of shampoo and conditioner you're getting, it's actually helping your hair and not making it worse. And I never realized that like your shampoo and conditioner could have like such an impact. Also, another thing that's super important to me about the shampoo and conditioner is that it's vegan and cruelty free. So if you guys want to give it a try, I will have a link in my description down below where you can get 20% off of your first order. Function of Beauty is available in the US, Canada, Great Britain, the European Union, Australia, and New Zealand. And I'm also just going to mention some extra in the shower tips. So my first one is don't use water that's too hot, since it can make it harder for your hair to retain moisture, which can lead to frizz. And also always condition. So I know some people only put conditioner on the bottom of their hair, but I use it on my whole head and I found that my hair is less frizzy that way. And lastly, use the set. So shampoo and conditioner typically come in pairs, and they're often more effective when they're used together the way that they're sold. Alright, now with that, we're going to move on to my out of the shower tips. So here my hair has been air drying, and my first tip is to let your hair air dry 90% of the way before blow drying it, which helps to keep the hair smooth and also minimizes the risk of heat damage. Also, when you're drying your hair, you should gently pat it with a towel or let it air dry to reduce frizz. Don't shake or rub your hair too much or too aggressively. And lastly, get a haircut or trim every 6 to 8 weeks because split ends can be a major cause of frizz. So now I'm finally going to show you what I do when I choose to style my hair. What I use is this fancy little device right here, which is a blow dryer, like curler dual machine thing. So mine I just got off of Amazon. I'm not really sure what you call it, but maybe I'll try to link like a similar one below. I like it a lot more than just a regular curler because I feel like it comes out a little bit more natural, and it's kind of like I get to give myself like a blowout. But basically you want to curl the hair away from your face. You put the blow dryer underneath your hair and you kind of wrap your hair around it, and then you just pull down on your hair and it will curl. And the main thing, the most important part of this is that once you curl your hair, it might not really look curled, but you need to twist it around your finger. And by twisting it around your finger, it's going to kind of hold that curl better. I'm going to just include me doing like the twisty part just so you guys can watch it more, because I feel like I'm maybe not doing the best job of explaining it. This usually takes me only about like 10 to 15 minutes, so it actually goes by pretty fast. And since I'm more of a night shower person, this is great for me since I don't want to go to sleep with wet hair. And that's the only thing I do to style my hair, other than sometimes once I'm done, I will just take like an oil, maybe like a Moroccan oil or like an argan oil, and just run it through my hair starting at the bottom and working up to the top. Alright guys, so that's everything I do to try to keep my hair the least frizzy as possible. This is what it looks like, the final product. So hopefully this helped you guys a little bit on your hair care journeys, and let me know if you have any questions down below and we'll get it sorted out, babies. So yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. Make sure to double tap the like button, double tap the subscribe button, and make sure to click confirm when it asks you guys to unsubscribe, and I will see you guys next time.